Spaghetti alla Nerano is one of the most loved delicacies in Italy. Conceived in the 50s in a restaurant in the small bay of Nerano, a delightful fishing village off the Amalfi Coast, a cook named Donna Rosa tried to create a variation of the traditional pasta and zucchini. This ancient recipe also won Totò and Eduardo de Filippo over and quickly became renowned all over the world. The recipe of spaghetti alla Nerano is very simple. Besides typical Italian pasta, the mother ingredient is the zucchini, sliced in a thin, round shape and fried. Sweet and delicate vegetables that meet the sharp flavor of the Parmesan, of the caciocavallo, and provolone del Monaco. This mix gives the dish its creamy aspect, seasoning it with fresh black pepper, a bit of butter, and lots of basil. To enjoy this masterpiece, we suggest you try it out where the magic happened, at Ristorante Maria Grazia in Nerano, in the Amalfi Coast. Donna Rosa's mother, where the heirs gladden travelers, preparing for them the traditional recipe, not just a simple dish, but a merging between history and flavor. Content realized thanks to the contribution of Ristorante Maria Grazia for the valorization of the territory.